안녕하세요. 당신을 위한 음식과 요리 캐삼입니다. 오늘은 현재 제가 거주하고 있는 캐나다에서 현직 요리사들의 인터뷰를 진행해 보았는데요. 셰프들은 집에서 요리를 할까? 라는 주제를 가지고 이야기해 보도록 할게요. 혹시 이 영상을 시청하시는 분들 중에 요리사로 일하시면서 평소에 집에서 요리를 만들어 드시거나 아니면 배달 음식 또는 인스턴트 음식을 많이 드시는지 댓글로 꼭 알려주세요. 그리고 요리사가 아니더라도 댓글로 마음껏 의견 남겨주세요. 그럼 시작해 볼까요? Let's go! 우선 제 자신부터 이야기해보면 저는 집에서 요리하는 것을 좋아합니다. 물론 레스토랑이 너무너무 바쁜 시즌에는 12시간, 13시간 일하다 보면 집에 와서 서 있을 힘조차 없죠. 그럴 때는 간단하게 햄버거를 사와서 집에서 먹거나 또는 간단하게 맛있는 라면을 끓여 먹기도 합니다. 하지만 쉬는 날에는 웬만하면 무엇이라도 만들어 먹으려고 해요. 저는 그때그때 기분에 따라 여러 문화의 음식을 만들어 먹고 있어요. 제일 좋아하고 제일 자주 해먹는 음식은 역시 간편하지만 맛있는 스팸 김치볶음밥이 아닌가 싶습니다. 제 영상 중에 완벽한 볶음밥 만드는 법 영상도 있으니 참고해 주시고요. 그러면 현재 캐나다에서 활동하고 있는 다양한 인종 그리고 문화를 가지고 있는 요리사들은 어떨지 알아보러 갈게요.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
As a chef, do you cook at home by yourself? If you do, what do you usually cook?
Yes, I do cook when I'm at home, and I live with someone, so I cook for her too. But luckily for me, she cooks a lot as well, which is really good. But what I cook at home, we usually eat at home like 5 out of the 7 nights a week when I am at home. As you guys know, being a chef, you're never really at home. Well, I'm kind of seasonal, so like, you know, winter, fall, it's a lot of like, you know, pastas, like quick pastas, quick stir fries, you know what I mean? Summer, I really like to grill. I really like to barbecue. I'm into marinating, you know what I mean, early in the week or whenever I'm gonna do it for a couple days. And then when I have the nights off or the days off, I like to grill it up, man. Like I love the grill. So I like screwing around with different marinades and different grilling styles and all that other stuff, but I'm all about the grill in the summer.
What about you, like after working, being in the kitchen like for more than 12
Okay,
hours?
this is gonna sound really weird, but I really like cereal.
Oh.
So honestly, when I get home from a shift, like, you know, when I have a shift with you or whatever,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I get home and I'll have a bowl of cereal, right? You don't want to really do anything. You just probably got home, finished taking a shower. You don't want to get all sweaty again, whatever. And I'll just grab the milk and have a bowl of Cheerios or something like that. Or something greasy, like maybe like fried chicken from the night before or whatever we're doing at work, right? Like,
With burger.
yeah, exactly, right? But unfortunately, it's usually something greasy. But is that really that bad? I don't know.
Answer,
Yeah, I really don't know. So
Thank you very much for your help.
you're very welcome, my friend.
I try. When I do, I try to cook the stuff that my husband likes. Mostly Israeli food or Ukrainian food.
Yeah.
Stuff that we remember from being kids and living back home. Mashed potatoes with pork chops, like Israeli meatballs and tomato sauce. Shakshuka, that like spicy eggs
Yeah.
for breakfast. And if I don't have the time, we order mostly Korean food.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of tteokbokki and just stews in general. Kimchi stew, pork bone soup, stuff like that.
Like working as a chef, what if you work more than 12 hours, 14 hours? Do you cook or you order something?
Oh no, I order. After 14 hours,
Yes.
before I come out of work, I'll tell my husband to order something because I am not
Oh,
cooking.
that's gonna be ready already.
Yeah. But when I have an easy day or I know I'm gonna have a day off, I'll definitely cook.
All right. Thank you for your answer.
Thank you.
Not really. No,
really?
not really. Like just sometimes I like to cook chicken lollipops. That's it.
Is there anything you like to cook?
Like right now I'm just exploring everything. So chicken lollipops, that's the most easiest thing that I like to cook. That's what I like to do.
Thank you for your answer, man.
Hi, Chef. How are you?
All right.
Yes, I do cook for myself at home. It's like all Filipino stuff and whatever my husband requests. If I'm working more than 12 hours or 14 hours, I have no time to cook at home, but my husband cooks for me.
Ah, that's
Yeah.
great. That's a great answer.
I like to go home and eat already. I want to sleep
That's ready.
because I'm
right?
hungry.
All right. Thank you very much for your answer.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, I do every time. I do a lot of cooking at home every day. I usually cook a lot of pulses, vegetables, butter chicken, dal makhani. Yeah, I'll obviously cook because I don't order. I don't like to order. I make it myself. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Sometimes, some days. When my mom doesn't cook, I cook for myself. Egg fried rice.
Oh, fried rice.
That's my go-to.
Right after you work more than 12 hours, what do you like to cook?
Nothing.
Nothing. What
I just drink water.
What about the burgers or the pizza stuff?
No.
No, not at all.
I just drink water.
That's it. Thank you very much, man.
Thank you.
It's a complicated answer. I cook as much as I can and want to, especially after a long shift. I don't really have the energy, so I do cook what I can. It's much more lazy. I'll make some grilled cheese with soup, but you know what I mean? It's not special at that moment. I kind of reserve the special times for when, you know, I'm with friends or
Yeah. Sometimes to do Uber for
Uber Eats.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't as much as I used to, but occasionally.
캐삼입니다. 요리사들도 집에서 요리를 하는지 궁금하셨던 분들은 궁금증이 조금이나마 해소됐으면 하는 바람입니다. 여기 사진 속 요리사들은 제가 일하던 레스토랑에서 같이 일하던 동료들인데요. 제가 캐나다에서 한국으로 이주를 하게 되면서 저를 위해 한자리에 함께 해주었습니다. 감사하게도 인터뷰에 응해진 친구들도 있고요. 커뮤니티 글에도 이미 언급했지만 제 채널이 1만 구독자분들을 모시게 되어 정말 행복하고요. 1만이라는 숫자가 누군가에게는 작을지 몰라도 저에게는 참 큰 숫자입니다. 다시 한번 감사드리고 한국에서도 여러분에게 유익하고 도움되는 영상 만들어 보겠습니다. 캐삼이었습니다.
You wouldn't cook at home because you know you eat every day. Hey, cut.